Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Survival English Podcast. I'm Emma, your English teacher, and I'm so excited for today's lesson.
Hello, everyone. I'm Miguel. I'm here to learn with you today.
Miguel, are you ready for something special?
Yes, what are we learning today?
Today, we will learn how to talk about Christmas abroad in English. Christmas is a magical time. There are lights, food, music, and so many traditions. If you travel to another country during Christmas, you need simple English phrases to talk with people.
Oh, that sounds useful, but I feel a little nervous.
Nervous? Why?
Because last year I was in London for Christmas. I wanted to ask about Christmas markets, but I didn't know what to say. I just smiled and stayed quiet.
I understand. That happens to many people. Many English learners feel the same way. They want to join conversations, but they worry about making mistakes.
Yes, exactly. I was afraid people wouldn't understand me.
But here's the truth, Miguel. People appreciate when you try to speak their language. They don't expect perfect English. They just want to connect with you.
Really? That makes me feel better.
Yes, and today we will fix that problem together. After this lesson, you will feel confident. You will know exactly what to say. You can talk about Christmas traditions, Christmas food, and even make small talk with new friends.
Wow, I'm excited now.
Me too. So, are you ready to start?
Yes, let's do it.
Perfect. Let's begin with part 1, how to talk about Christmas traditions. Okay, Miguel, let's start with Christmas traditions. When you meet people abroad, they often ask about your traditions, and you can ask about theirs too.
That sounds interesting, but what should I say?
Don't worry, I will teach you simple sentences. First, let's learn how to ask about traditions. This is a very friendly question. Listen carefully. What do you do for Christmas?
What do you do for Christmas?
Perfect. Now repeat it again, slowly.
What do you do for Christmas?
Excellent. That's a very useful question. You can use this question with anyone, your friends, your coworkers, or even strangers at a Christmas party.
I see. It's a simple question.
Exactly. Now, let's learn how to answer. You can say, "We decorate a Christmas tree."
We decorate a Christmas tree.
Great. One more time with confidence.
We decorate a Christmas tree.
Very good. Now here's another answer. In my country, we sing Christmas songs.
In my country, we sing Christmas songs.
Perfect pronunciation. You can also say, "We go to church," or "We visit family and friends." These are all good answers.
Okay, so I can share my own traditions.
Yes, exactly. Now, let me ask you, Miguel, what do you do for Christmas in your country?
In my country, we have a big family dinner. We eat special food and open presents.
Wonderful. That's a great answer. See? It's easy. You just use simple sentences. You don't need complicated words.
Yes, I understand now.
Good. Now, what if someone asks you and you don't know much about their traditions? You can say, "I am curious about Christmas here. Can you tell me?"
I am curious about Christmas here. Can you tell me?
Excellent. That's very polite. People love when you show interest. It makes them feel happy to share their culture with you.
That's a good tip.
Yes, being curious is a great way to start conversations. Now, let me ask you again. What do you do for Christmas?
We decorate a Christmas tree and we sing Christmas songs.
Perfect. You're doing amazing, Miguel. Let me give you one more phrase. You can say, "We exchange gifts with family."
We exchange gifts with family.
Excellent. Now you have many ways to talk about traditions. Remember, asking questions and sharing simple answers makes conversations easy.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
That's great. Okay, now let's move to part 2. Let's talk about Christmas food. All right, Miguel. Now let's talk about Christmas food. Food is a big part of Christmas celebrations. People love to talk about it. It's a fun topic.
Yes, I love food. But how do I ask about Christmas food?
It's very simple. Listen to this question. What do you usually eat at Christmas?
What do you usually eat at Christmas?
Perfect. Say it one more time, nice and clear.
What do you usually eat at Christmas?
Excellent. This is a great conversation starter. Everyone loves talking about their favorite foods.
Yes, food is always a good topic.
Exactly. Now, let's learn how to answer. You can say, I love roast turkey and Christmas pudding.
I love roast turkey and Christmas pudding.
Great job. Now repeat it again with feeling.
I love roast turkey and Christmas pudding.
Very good. Now, here's another useful question. Do you have any special desserts?
Do you have any special desserts?
Perfect. You can also ask, what's your favorite Christmas dish? Or, do you make any traditional food?
Those are good questions.
Yes, they help keep the conversation going. Now, let me ask you, Miguel, what do you usually eat at Christmas in your country?
In my country, we eat tamales, bacalao, and sweetbread. It's very delicious.
Oh, that sounds amazing. Tamales are wonderful. See, you can share your traditions easily. Now, what if you want to try new food? You can say, I want to try traditional food. Can you recommend something?
I want to try traditional food. Can you recommend something?
Excellent. That's a very useful phrase. People will be happy to help you. They love sharing their favorite foods.
Yes, I will use this when I travel.
Good. You can also say, where can I find the best Christmas food? Or, I've never tried this before. Is it sweet or savory?
Those are helpful phrases.
Yes. Now, let me test you. Ask me about Christmas food.
What do you usually eat at Christmas?
In my country, we eat roast turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, and mince pies. They are delicious.
That sounds good. Do you have any special desserts?
Yes, we have Christmas pudding, gingerbread cookies, and trifle. My favorite is gingerbread cookies.
Wow, I want to try them.
You should. They're very tasty. Great. You're doing so well, Miguel. Talking about food is a wonderful way to connect with people. It brings everyone together.
Thank you. I'm learning so much.
You're welcome. Now, let's move to part 3. Let's learn how to make small talk about Christmas abroad. Okay, Miguel. Now let's learn small talk. Small talk means short, friendly conversations. It helps you connect with people easily. You don't need deep topics, just friendly words.
I see. But what should I say?
Don't worry, I'll teach you. First, you can compliment things around you. People love compliments. Listen, the Christmas lights here are beautiful.
The Christmas lights here are beautiful.
Perfect. Say it again with a smile.
The Christmas lights here are beautiful.
Excellent. People love compliments. It makes them feel proud of their city or country. You can also say, the decorations are amazing, or I love the Christmas atmosphere here.
Those are nice compliments.
Yes. Now here's another sentence. I like Christmas markets. Have you visited them?
I like Christmas markets. Have you visited them?
Great. One more time.
I like Christmas markets. Have you visited them?
Very good. Asking questions like this invites people to share their experiences. It keeps the conversation flowing.
I understand. Questions are important.
Exactly. Now, you can also ask about family traditions. Listen, how do you celebrate Christmas with your family?
How do you celebrate Christmas with your family?
Perfect pronunciation. Now repeat it.
How do you celebrate Christmas with your family?
Wonderful. This is a warm, friendly question. It shows you care about their life and traditions.
Yes, it feels personal, but not too personal.
Exactly right. You can also say, do you spend Christmas at home or do you travel? Or, what's your favorite part of Christmas?
Those are great questions.
Yes. Now, let me ask you, Miguel, how do you celebrate Christmas with your family?
We have a big dinner together. We sing songs and exchange gifts. It's very fun. My whole family comes, even my cousins from other cities.
That's beautiful. See? Small talk is easy. You just share simple things about your life and ask about theirs.
Yes, I understand now.
Good. Now, remember this tip. Always smile and use simple sentences. People love when you try to speak their language. Your effort matters more than perfect grammar.
Okay, I will remember that.
Perfect. Now let's practice together. I will say something and you respond. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm a little nervous, but excited.
Don't be nervous. Just be yourself and use the phrases we practiced. Here we go. Hello, Merry Christmas. Welcome to our Christmas market. How are you enjoying your visit?
Hello, Merry Christmas. It's beautiful. I like the lights. This is my first time here.
Oh, wonderful. First time? You picked a great day to visit. The weather is perfect. Are you from around here?
No, I'm visiting from another country. What do you recommend to eat?
Oh, how exciting. Well, you should try the hot chocolate. It's very popular here. We make it with real Belgian chocolate. And the gingerbread cookies are delicious too. They're made fresh every morning.
That sounds great. I want to try traditional food. Can you recommend something else?
Of course. Try the roasted chestnuts. They're a Christmas favorite here. You can find them at the stall near the big Christmas tree. And if you like sausages, we have bratwurst with sauerkraut.
Perfect. Thank you. Do you have any special desserts?
Yes, we have Christmas Stollen. It's a sweet bread with fruits, nuts, and powdered sugar on top. It's a German tradition. Many people buy it as a gift.
That sounds delicious. I love sweet bread. What else can I do here?
Oh, there's so much. You can ice skate on our outdoor rink. We also have live music every evening at 6 o'clock. And don't miss the Christmas carousel. It's beautiful at night.
Wow, I want to go ice skating. Where's the rink?
It's just behind the main stage. You can rent skates there. It costs €10 for 1 hour.
Perfect. Thank you for your help. You've been very kind.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time here. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Goodbye.
Excellent, Miguel. That was perfect. You used all the phrases we learned today. You asked questions, you showed interest, and you were very polite and natural.
Thank you. I feel confident now. It wasn't as scary as I thought.
See? That's the power of practice. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. You did a wonderful job today.
Yes, I will practice every day.
That's the spirit. Remember, making mistakes is okay. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. Now, let's review everything we learned today. Okay, everyone, let's review the key phrases from today's lesson. These are the most important sentences you need to remember. Miguel, repeat after me. What do you do for Christmas?
What do you do for Christmas?
We decorate a Christmas tree.
We decorate a Christmas tree.
In my country, we sing Christmas songs.
In my country, we sing Christmas songs.
What do you usually eat at Christmas?
What do you usually eat at Christmas?
I love roast turkey and Christmas pudding.
I love roast turkey and Christmas pudding.
I want to try traditional food. Can you recommend something?
I want to try traditional food. Can you recommend something?
The Christmas lights here are beautiful.
The Christmas lights here are beautiful.
How do you celebrate Christmas with your family?
How do you celebrate Christmas with your family?
I went ice skating yesterday. It was fun.
I went ice skating yesterday. It was fun.
Do you like Christmas movies?
Do you like Christmas movies?
Perfect. You remembered everything, Miguel. I'm so proud of you.
Yes, this lesson was so helpful. I learned so many useful phrases today.
I'm so glad. Remember, everyone, talking about Christmas abroad is easy with practice. Don't be afraid to speak English. People will appreciate your effort. They will see that you're trying, and that's what matters most.
Yes, just use simple sentences and smile. Be friendly and curious.
Exactly. Confidence comes from practice. Start with these simple phrases. Use them in real conversations. Soon, you'll feel comfortable talking about any topic in English.
That's great advice.
Now, here's your homework, everyone. Practice these sentences with a friend or family member. Try to have a short conversation about Christmas. Even 5 minutes of practice will help you improve.
That's a great idea. Practice makes perfect.
Yes, you can also write the sentences in a notebook. Writing helps your memory. And try to use these phrases this week if you meet someone who speaks English.
I will do that.
Wonderful. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Survival English Podcast. We have many more lessons to help you speak English confidently.
We cover topics like traveling, shopping, working, and making friends.
Yes, subscribe now, everyone. You don't want to miss the next lesson.
We also have lessons about New Year's celebrations, ordering food in restaurants, and asking for directions. Something for every situation you might face abroad.
These lessons really help. I use them all the time.
Thank you, Miguel, and thank you to all our listeners. Your support means everything to us. If you have questions or topic suggestions, please leave a comment. We read every single one.
Yes, we love hearing from you.
All right, everyone, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, stay confident, and Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Remember what you can do.